Your name is Yahweh. Your name is Yahweh. Write it on my breathing, on each ordinary day. Give me grace to walk gently, grace to speak with wisdom. Let my words carry patience. Let my heart